Welcome to Annie's Hub. Welcome to Annie's Hub. Hi guys. How are you all? Stay home, stay here.
What are you doing?
We are coloring.
Okay.
For playing odd or even games.
Oh, order even game.
Yes. You know how we want to play that game? You know the rules?
No, I don't know.
Okay.
You tell me.
After coloring, I will show how to play.
Okay. I will wait till that.
Okay.
Guys, do you know what is an odd number?
Yes.
Anirudh, you know what is an odd number?
Yes.
Can you tell an example? Which is an odd number?
1,
Okay.
3,
Yes, very good.
5,
Okay.
7, 9, 11, 13,
Yeah.
15.
You know about even numbers?
I know.
Okay.
I know. 2,
Okay.
4,
Okay.
6, 8,
Okay.
10,
So
12.
can you tell what is an even number?
Even
You would have studied in mathematics.
even number means
Uh,
like 2, 4.
Okay.
or it's
2,
yeah,
4,
two
6.
table.
yeah, it's a divided. It's divided by 2. The
Two.
even numbers are divided by 2.
2. We want
So
to be
odd
one
number is a number divided by itself. So 1 will be divided by itself. 3 will be divided by
Itself.
itself. So that is called odd
odd
numbers.
numbers.
Anirudh and Hansi, what's this?
Number.
Numbers. Okay. You have arranged the numbers.
222.
Okay. So you're going to say something about numbers. Is
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Okay. What is this for?
For playing a game.
Okay, a game. Interesting.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Friends, can you guess what's this game all about?
No.
It's a odd and even game.
Okay, odd and even game. Odd numbers.
Odd numbers means 1,
One.
3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and
Okay.
17.
Okay.
Okay, even number means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22.
Okay. So what do you mean by an even number, Anirudh?
Even number is still by 2.
Okay. Okay. Now let's start the game.
Yes, we will tell the rules. First, we have to take the coin. It's come grey. Grey color means 1. One step forward. Have to
Move one step forward. Okay.
next, if we will get pink, we need to move 2 steps forward. 1, 2.
Okay. Okay. Now let's see who's going to win this game.
Yes.
Okay.
1. I
Okay.
get 1.
Hansika got 1. Okay. Next turn is Anis.
All the best. Anis, get 2 steps.
2. He got 2. Okay. Next Hansi. 1. Now Hansi came to second step.
Ani?
Ani went to fourth step.
I'm also.
Okay. So now Hansi is in fourth step. Okay, now Annie came to sixth step. Hansi also. Both are coming equally.
Yes, Auntie.
2. Oh. Now Hansi went to 7.
Yes, Auntie.
Okay.
Nine. You going? Lucky boy or what?
12. Okay, now it's Hansi.
2. Again. You 1.
1.
Congratulations. You're here. You're 13, no?
Okay, now it's Hansi.
Same. Hey, 2. Congratulations, boy. 2. Go. 2. Come to the 7. 17. Times 2. And the same position.
2.
2. 2.
Okay, now Hansi.